Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I saved some baby birds. But if you're going to plan on attempting this yourself, make sure you look at other sources, or better yet, contact a wildlife rehabilitation center. I hope you enjoy! In the night I heard a faint cheeping sound. Following the noise, I found a nest with 4 tiny baby Pacific slope flycatcher birds that had fallen to the ground. They were in terrible condition. Only 3 were alive. They were covered in ants and were not yet old enough to hop away. I picked them up and cleaned off the ants. This morning they're doing better. Here's their setup. I boiled an egg and I'm going to be feeding them the yolk. Because these birds are gnat catchers, they're going to need a lot of protein. Also, this is fake blood from a filmmaking project I did a while ago, but I'm using this sheet because it's an old sheet, so that this doesn't touch anything that I need to keep sanitary. Since these babies cannot hop around and hardly have any feathers, I know that they are nestlings. A fledgling, on the other hand, is a baby bird that is learning to fly. It walks around on the ground and is fully feathered. You should not try to rescue a fledgling unless something is wrong with them. For instance, they are sick, injured, or covered in ants. I try to feed them around every 20 minutes. Open your little beak. As soon as I feed them the food, they don't actually open their beak. I made this out of an old cereal box to keep the nest in place. I put the nest and the babies back where it was before, and I hope the mom comes to feed them. If she doesn't, I'm gonna have to keep feeding them. I see the mom. There she is. She sounds like she's calling to her babies, and they're peeping back to her. She appears to be trying to find them. There seems to be 2 parents. I'm so happy this little bird family is together again. If you want to learn more about the Pacific slope flycatcher, click this next video.